Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x8007064a. This error usually appears due to service issues or corrupted app settings, but don't worry because the solution is simple and easy to follow. Firstly, click on the search bar and type services, then click on services from the search results. A new window will open. Now scroll down and try to find Microsoft Store install service in the list. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. Here, change the startup type from manual to automatic so that the service can run properly in the background. After changing the startup type, click on Stop to stop the service temporarily. Then click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Once again, double-click on Microsoft Store install service, and now click on Start to restart the service. After that, click on Apply and then OK, and close the Services window. Next, click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. After that, click on Apps, and then select Installed Apps. Now scroll down and click on System Components, then again click on Installed Apps. From the list, find Microsoft Store. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Now scroll down a little, and you will see the Repair option. Click on Repair and wait for the process to complete. This will fix any minor issues without affecting your data. After the repair is completed, close the Settings window and restart your PC to apply all changes properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.